In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat tasks every day in Asana. By the end, you'll have a task that automatically recurs every day, so you never forget your daily routines, follow-ups, or checklists. Start by heading to the Asana login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. If you normally use a different sign-in method, that's fine. Just log in the way you usually do. When Google prompts you, select the account you want to use and complete the sign-in. You'll land in your Asana workspace. Next, navigate to the project where your task lives. Open the project so you can see its list or board view, then click the specific task you want to repeat every day. This opens the task details panel on the right. Look for the due date field near the top of the task. If it currently says no due date, click it to open the calendar. This calendar is where you set both the date and the repeat behavior. If you already see a due date, you can still click it to make changes. Inside the calendar, find the option labeled Set to Repeat and click it. This reveals repeat settings for the task. Now open the Repeats dropdown to choose how often the task should recur. Select Daily. If you like, confirm the starting date for the recurrence in the calendar so your daily schedule begins on the correct day. You can also set a due time if your team depends on time-based reminders. Once done, you'll see a clear indicator near the due date that says Repeats Daily, which confirms the change. A quick tip on how Asana handles recurring tasks. A new daily instance is created when you mark the current one complete. That means your task won't pile up as duplicates. Each day's task appears only after you finish the previous one. This approach keeps your task history clean while preserving comments, attachments, and subtasks across occurrences. Another best practice is to make sure the task is assigned to the right person before enabling the repeat. The assignee and project stay attached to each new instance, so the right person gets notified every day. If you're collaborating, add any relevant followers so they stay in the loop. That's it. Your task is now set to repeat every day in Asana. Mark it complete at the end of each day, and Asana will automatically create the next one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.